Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007 provides several powerful features for creating, managing, and storing content across an enterprise. For example, AdventureWorks uses Office SharePoint Server 2007 to publish web pages, archive and audit records, and manage documents. Web publishing includes the ability to easily create and format web pages from a web browser, as well as more advanced features. Team members in the Human Resources Department can create a web page, insert and format text, tables, and images, and even use a workflow to send the new web page for approval before it goes live, all right from their web browsers. The Record Center enables the legal department to manage thousands of records, including policies and expirations for leases, contracts, and license agreements. When a record has been routed to the Record Center, the legal department can also audit that record and see when it was viewed or printed. The Technical Publications team at AdventureWorks uses a document center to manage manuals, price lists, and other company documents. The team uses workflows to manage editorial processes, such as reviewing and approving. The workflows generate tasks for people to review or approve documents, and the home page of the Document Center shows each user their upcoming workflow tasks. This helps the team to track and manage content efficiently. The Document Center homepage also displays the documents that Amy Rusko has created, modified, or checked out. The information displayed here changes based on who is logged on, so that the content is relevant to that person. The library in the Document Center has tree view navigation, where you can quickly expand or collapse folders to navigate to a document. The Technical Publications library has folders for manuals, miscellaneous publications, price lists, product comparisons, and product specifications. This folder contains user manuals for various product lines and shows their current status. To create a manual, team members click the arrow on the New menu. The menu offers different content types, ranging from price list brochures to product comparison worksheets to user manuals. The content types help team members work efficiently and consistently with the publications they frequently produce. Because the user manual is already set up as a content type, Amy just needs to click User Manual to get started. Each content type has its own template, properties, and workflows, such as review and approval. When the new document opens in Microsoft Office Word 2007, the Document Information panel shows properties that have already been set up on the server. This information, often called metadata, helps the team track and manage documents more efficiently. The asterisk indicates that the model number property is required. Requiring properties to be filled out helps ensure consistency and better tracking of documents related to that model number. The content type uses a template that already has some formatting and basic structure set up. When Amy is ready to save her work, she just clicks Save, as she would with any document. When she's finished with the document, Amy clicks the Close button. She's prompted to check in the document the first time that she creates it. This enables the new manual to be visible on the server to team members. The Technical Publications library is set up to require check-in and check-out, so that only one person can work on a document at a time. This avoids accidentally overwriting each other's work. When team members check in their documents, they are also prompted to specify version information. Versioning enables the team to have a history of how files have evolved and to restore a version if they make a mistake. The team saves documents as minor versions for smaller adjustments and fixes. Minor versions are considered drafts and are not viewable by anyone outside the team. The team publishes files as major versions when they make major changes or when the files are ready for the next stage in the process. Amy is ready to publish this file as a minor version. Amy types comments about the changes she made, which helps her team keep track of how the document is evolving. The new manual has been created in the library, and now other people can work on the file. The version history shows both major and minor versions, and details such as the date and who made the changes. Minor versions have decimal places, like 2.1, which was a change to the manual's properties. The most current major version is 4.0. Let's return to the main view of the Document Center to see which files are ready for Amy to review. The content type for user manuals has a workflow for reviewing, so this task is already set up for Amy. Having a view of their current workflow tasks helps Amy and her team stay on top of things. Once Amy has read the document, she can click this task to open a window where she types her feedback. A site can also be set up to send workflow task notifications in email, so that workflow tasks can be completed directly from Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. Now Amy can click Send Feedback, and the document is ready for other people to review, such as Martin, the team's editor. The team also uses workflows for approving the final version of all documents and for collecting signatures on price lists to make absolutely sure they are correct. The task for reviewing the document is now off Amy's list, so she has one less thing to worry about. With document management, web publishing, and records management, it's much easier and more efficient to stay on top of content at AdventureWorks.